For today's fluency game, there's a slight technical issue. There's a couple of them. First of all, we can't see the full grid when I put my visualizer down on the table. That's what the full grid looked like, and I should have attached it to the email we've got. And the second thing is, it needs 3 dice, and I don't have 3 dice. So we're going to have to imagine that I've rolled 3 dice. So, game dead simple, can be played by 2, 3 or 4 players. Probably better with 4 players actually. What you do is you roll the 3 dice. Oh look, I've got a 1, a 2 and a 3. And I can do 2 or 1 sums with those numbers, and then the answer is my go for that turn. So for example, I've rolled a 3, a 2 and a 1, so I could do 1 add 2 is 3, divided by 3 is 1, so that is my answer. The next person uses the same numbers for their go as well, so person 2 is going to go 3 times 2 is 6, add 1 is 7, and here's person's 2's square, and person 3 uses the same numbers as well, and they are going to go 3 take away 1 is 2, times by 2 is 4. So person number 3 goes there. And last but not least is person number 4. They are going to go 1 and 2 and 3 is 6, and they're going to claim this square here. Person number 2 now gets to roll the 3 dice and carries on again. So this time we've got a 5, a 6 and a 6. So person number 2 is going to go 6 times 6 is 36, add 5 is 41. Person 2 is claiming this square here. Person 3 is going to go 6 add 6 is 12, add 5 is 17. I'm going to take this square here. And on the game goes like that. And what you're trying to do is get 3 of your squares in a row and get 3 points for that, and to fill up as many of these squares with your names as you can. Again, quite like the game because it's quite a slow, thinky game rather than a fast, stressy game. There's a bit more skill involved in this and perhaps a bit less luck, but it can be played by children of all ability. I've noticed in my class that the children sometimes freeze when they're faced with 3 numbers, and I just say to them, your brain can only handle 2 numbers in a sum at any one time, so just pick 2 and go with those, which I know strictly speaking there will be a more efficient method often if you're adding 2 numbers together, especially if it's like a bond of 10, but I think they're almost overthinking some of our children. What's the perfect start to me doing this sum? So I think just pick 2 numbers, get stuck in, and then do the third one after that. Hopefully children will enjoy this game, and yeah, good fun.